Have you ever wondered about the limitless possibilities of paper? Welcome aboard. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey through the captivating world of paper crafts. It's a realm where imagination takes flight and creativity knows no bounds. Centuries ago, the art of paper crafts originated in the ancient landscapes of China. It has since evolved, spread and flourished into a myriad of forms across the globe. Each form, a unique expression of artistry and creativity, is as diverse as the people who practice it. Imagine transforming a simple sheet of paper into an intricate sculpture, a delicate flower, or even a functional object like a lamp or a piece of furniture. Yes, that's the magic of paper crafts. It's the joy of co-creating with paper, molding it to your will, and watching as your imagination takes tangible form. One such form is the art of paper cutting. It's a dance of precision and patience as you meticulously cut away sections of paper. Each cut reveals delicate patterns, each pattern a story, and each story a testament to your creativity. Then there's the art of quilling. Picture yourself rolling and gluing thin strips of paper into intricate shapes and designs. Each roll, each fold, and each curve breathe life into a three-dimensional masterpiece. It's a form of art that feels almost alive, pulsating with the rhythm of your creativity. But the beauty of paper crafts lies not just in the stunning art pieces you create. The true essence is in the process itself. Each fold, each cut, each stroke is a step away from the chaos of the world, a step towards tranquility, a step into a state of Zen-like concentration. It's about finding mindfulness in the mesmerizing world of paper crafts. So why not delve into this boundless universe of paper crafts? Why not discover the joy of creating with your very own hands? It's a journey worth embarking on, a journey of creativity, tranquility, and endless possibilities. We hope this glimpse into the art of paper crafts has sparked a flame of inspiration in you. And remember, every creative journey begins with a single step. So, take that step, embark on your journey, and don't forget to share your creations with us. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting journeys into the world of crafts. Until then, happy crafting!